Engxoxweni abenayo ne-SABC ngaphambi kokuhoxiswa kwesigaba sesibili se-load shedding nalapho ibuzwe khona ukuthi bawuqaphele na umthelela i-load shedding enawo ebantwini. Ukhulumela i-Eskom uSekhonathi Mantshantsha uthe okwenza bengeze iziphehlimandla nakuba kungacaci ngomsebenzi owenziwa yikusile neMedupi ingqalasizinda egugile.
This is an attempt to buy reliability going forward by not sacrificing tomorrow's performance while you run your machines hard today. So we will, as we have said, continue to have this problem of load shedding as the time goes, and indeed as we do these repairs, this maintenance. And what will alleviate particularly the occurrence of load shedding is the new capacity that the government is busy trying to bring online.
Kusinjalo ukumiswa kwe-load shedding amahora amane izolo ngesikhathi kunenkonzo yesikhumbuzo sengonyama yesizwe samaZulu eKhotheme kwenze Eskom yanyamanambana kwabaningi ngelithi iyenzelela. uMantshantsa uthi lokhu bakwenze ukuhlonipha ingonyama futhi umthamo abebengakwazi ukumela.
The period in which this happened, the demand is relatively low. So Eskom did burn some diesel in order to make sure that we were able to do this. It's a rare and significant occasion in a difficult period generally, and Eskom was able to pull this off in that respect.
Ukuxoxa kwesigaba sesibili se-load shedding kuqale ngehora le-12 emini.